Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, this is me. I'm Simon from Laikeda Electrical Appliance, and today I'm here to introduce to you our newly opened induction cooker. Yes, it's about 3 modes. It is OC 1000 and OC 1001. Yeah, and OC 1002. Okay, and OC 1003. Yeah, it's the round one here, very special and beautiful. Okay, all of these 3 modes is designed in this year. It is nearly opened, and all of these 3 modes has passed the mass production. So the mode is very natural and it's available and the quality is so good. So it can stand more than 15 kilograms of weight. So it's very durable. And all three induction cooker is made of polished crystal glass and high quality plastic. Yeah, just like the shell and the pipe. And the size of our crystal glass plate is 217 millimeters, so it is a large size. So it's suitable most of the cooker, just like this support, and the others is okay for us. And all the induction cooker is controlled by touch control, so you can press the different key. Even the cylinder, and to choose the different function, increase or decrease the different temperature or something, whatever you need. So okay, let us begin from the first one, OC 1001. Yeah, let me show you the shape. The round plastic glass plate and the square shape, And we can choose the different color if you want, just like the green, the blue, the pink, or the others, whatever. So if you need, so give me your Pantone color, and we can make samples of others. Is okay. We can accept ODM orders. Yeah. In general, the function of this one is 1300 watts, so it is suitable for the most of the cooking. The power is enough to bear the cooker program to bear the cooker mission, and the display power is 2000 watts. All of these three, the display power is 2000 watts, and it is a special. And a special part of this one is here. We can see a special board. Write something just like the word of the slogan, the logo, and behind the board there is a light. So when the induction cooker turn on, and the light will show the words in the board more beautiful, and it's very beautiful to let your customers to remember your logo or your brand. So it is a good selling point of this induction cooker, except the beautiful shape. Okay, let me show you how it works. We can press this key is the switch, In fact, the induction cooker have 14 keys, different keys to show the different function, and just like the hot pot function, the soup function, or just to increase or to decrease the different working temperature or the working power. So it is very powerful. The functions is very powerful, and you can also set the different timer and to know the voltage, or even you want the induction cooker have the child lock function. We can change the programs inside the induction cookers, because we have the engineer in my factory, and we can install the PCB boards all by ourselves. So we can change the different programs to keep sure we can meet all of your needs. We can accept the ODM orders. So when the induction cooker is turn on, we can press this key to choose the different function. There is many different functions of the different working temperature, the working temperature setting or the working power setting for all of these functions, just like the hot pot. Yes, just like this one. The working power is 1800 watts, and just like the function, just like to boil water, the working power is the 2200 watts. So we have the different temperature setting in our beautiful induction cookers to help our customers to control the cooking, and make sure the cooker is more easy to use. And when we press the foundation key to the foundation, just like the hot pot, we can choose the different working temperature or the working power by this key or this key. This key is to increase. When you want a high temperature or a high power, you can press this one to increase the working temperature. The max working temperature is 217 degrees, and you can also decrease the working temperature by this one, and the smallest the working temperature is 80 degrees. So it can help you to control your cooking better. And we can also know the different we can also know the voltage, just like for this one. The voltage in here is 212 and 20 volt, and we can also set the different timer. The timer is from 1 minute to 3 hours. So when you want to get away and to get back later, you can set the different timer, so to help the cookers to have a better cooking for you. It is a very powerful functions, and we can also choose the different working power, just like the soup or the others. We can also change the functions according to your request, or how you the hobby. It's all okay. It's all okay. And this induction cooker, we can pass the EMC testing. So we have already get the CE and CB certificate of this one. And you want the induction cooker which have passed the EMC testing. The power will be 118 and 815 watts. So it is the max power of this one. So we can choose the different spare part and the different square standard to meet your request. Just like the rule of some market, just like the South Korea, the Europe, even the United States, is all okay. It's all okay. We can change the different squares. We can quality stand to meet your needs. So this is our beautiful induction cooker 1001. Yeah, it's very beautiful. And also need the special LED board to be here. Once the induction cooker is turned on, we can see there is some light in here to show the different function, to show the different words, just like some the word of the slogan in here. Okay, the next one, our induction cooker 1000 and OC 1002. This is a square shape, not like this one is a round one, and this one is square one. In fact, when we decide to design all of these three modes of induction cooker, we get something very popular and very functional. The things in the simple style, and we have choose the different way to show to like our induction cooker more beautiful. So it is here. We have designed the three modes. For this one, it is also made of crystal glass plate, and the size of this one is 270 millimeters. Yes, the width and the length is all the same. It is the square, and the induction cooker is touch control. You can press. You can see there are many different touching key in here, and here is the LED display screen, so you can know the working temperature, all the working power, all the different time. It's all okay. And here it is the price. It is the decreasing key. You can decrease the power of the time by pressing this one, and this one is the increasing key. You can increase the power by this one. And all of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 5 different functions, just like this one. This one have 8. This one have 8, and this one have 5. But the function in here is both is very powerful and strong. And we can also to price this one, then the foundation keys to choose the different function from the file to the one of the 5 foundations. And we can also to show the different temperature of the pot. So when you do some cooking, just like to fry the chips or the fried fish, fry the potato or other things, you may maybe you don't need the hot. It's so hot. Maybe you need the lower temperature, so you can choose the different function, just like increase or decrease, to control the working temperature to make your food more delicious and more suitable. Okay, and this one is switch. You can press this one to turn on or to turn off the induction cooker. And this mode is we can also pass the EMC testing. So, and the max power for this one is 1,850 watts. Yeah, it's all the same. But the display the display working power is 2012. Yeah, this one. Okay, let me show you this how it works. It's a little tight. It's a little tight. When we put the pot on, we can press this key to turn it on and to choose the different functions by this key. Yes, by this key to choose the different function and to increase or decrease the different function, just like so, the hot pot. When we choose the hot pot foundation, we can choose the different working power from this one. For now, the working temperature, the working power is 1300, but we can increase or to decrease or to increase the power if you need or if you like. So it is a very powerful and strong foundation in here. And about this one, the last one, the round one, the little training of the induction cooker, just like the OC 1003. Yes, like this one. You know, the shape is very special because it is square, and it is also touch control, and we can also to choose it to control it by sliding. By this slider, we can slide it to the different foundation or the different working power. Okay, and and about the power, it's same to this one and this one. In general, the real working power is 1300 watts. If you need exactly when it passes the EMC testing, we can increase the working power, this one, real power, to 1815 watts, and the display power will be 2200 watts. Okay, when you put on the pot, the induction cooker is powered on. You can press this one, the switch in here, to turn on the induction cooker, and to press this one, the foundation keys, to choose the different foundation. Just like now, you know, it begins to work. And for now, the working temperature, the working power is 1400 watts. And if you want if you want a larger one or the smaller one, you can press this key to control it. You can move the cylinder to control it, just like this one. I move the cylinder in here, and the working power is very little, just 200 watts. But if I move the cylinder in here, for now the working temperature, the working power is 600 watts. So it is very easy for you to choose it to control the induction cooker, and it's very easy to use. And the max working temperature for this one is, for now, is 200 watts, because it is the general certificate, and when you choose the different qualities, then we can choose it to we can change it to 2200 watts. It's all okay. You can also change. You can also to change the working timer in here, just like this one. I want to set the different timer You also can change or control the timer, the time by moving the cylinder, just like this one. We can see the timer is 12 minutes, and we move the cylinder in here. We can increase the waiting time to 20 minutes. So it's very easy for you to choose it, and it is already some kind of revolution. So I think it's just like the training of all of these three models. And we can also see the different. We can also see the voltage in here by pressing this one. We can see the voltage is 220 volts, and we can also change it to the other transition, just like short lock. If you need, it's all okay. We can choose it. We can change it and to the different function, just according to your requirement. It is very easy for you to choose it by moving the slider. It must work. And let me show you the shape of this one. It is a round one, and the size of the and the crystal plate is 270 millimeter. It's very large. It is enough to bury most of the powder, just the pot, just like this one. If you need, we can also provide you our special pots, just like this one. You know, the pot with light is out here. It is so much to our induction cooker, not only OC 1003, but the OC 1002 is also totally match. And we can also provide you the pot or the induction cooker in the same colors, just like for example, the pot is the red one. If you like the color, we can choose the different color of the cookers to this one. It also can be the red one, so it is totally matched. So we have the different size we have the pot with the different size, just like 216 gram and 220 gram. It's also the three different pots in here to like your induction cooker more can be a powerful weapon to help you. Okay, so after seeing all of this, I trust that you have already know our induction cooker very good. So we are looking forward to your message, and please trust us. The Laikeda electrical appliance can be your best supplier. So give me your message, and we will make you more powerful and have more money. So thank you.